stand. Mom, I have a slow. So tell me where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let go. Maybe my love. Thank you for watching. Nakauna man ako, lapang. Lapang. Can I eat? Please. Can you, give me food? I'm so hungry now. You don't want to give me a food. I feel hungry na, love ko. Nako! Ba't sa ino love pang? Oh, merienda na kami ngayon. Ayan. Marimot ako. Ito, pag ito na ito. Tumpa ako na ito. Halikapi ako. Walit mo na ulit. Walit. Ayaw. Dahil makilamig kami, hindi na kabakal-bakal. Kasi hindi mo, kahit pag-alam pag mamagkarami kami, ako na ba? Naninitigan. Pero yung kuwaan. Ano ko na? Oo ba? Hindi na yung internet. Ang isala ko lang ang tayo. Coffee! Kape! Hi, John. Oh my God po. Go to sleep. I'm still alive. Wide awake. Thank you, John. Where's John? John siya. Taga-Australia. Thank you. John, she's my sister. I'm with my sister's home. Thank you so much, Jan. Hi, sis. Hi, sis daw. Hi, sis. Hi, sis daw. Hi. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Cold here. Cold. Ah! Raining. Raining and Vigo. Province. Thank you for the likes. Thank you to those the likes. Thank you so much. 8 people here now. What time is? Ay, wala una na pala. Pahina ko. Sabagay, sabi ko mga kambong ko. Dito na ako nakaano. Wait lang ba kung dito na ba ako nakaano. Kasi kasi yung si Grace. Nanay, ano nang panayin mo na? Pababaon mo si Papa. Thank you so much for the likes. I'm still wake up. I'm done. Cold here too because I have a aircon. Easy means aircon. Aircon on. Thank you, 6 people. Thank you, Donna, so much. Ah, na 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 na. Hi, friend of Philippine Margin, Sir Philip.
Sacramento, California. Hi, Philip. Sacramento, California. Hello.
Oo, ngayon. Kanin mo. Okay. Kanin mo na lang.
Thank you for 7 people here. Thank you a lot. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. You really love me. Thank you for the likes. How can you still be awake and look so good? Coffee. I have eye bags now. Coffee. If you really love me again, you get Marco Vinicius.
Saan ka na, babe? Saan?
Love me harder, love me harder, love me harder. Love me, love me, love me. Harder, harder, harder. Hello, beautiful vegan. Hi, vegan.
Sabi si Grace, bilang mo.
Ano yung sinasagaw siya? Ano yung magaling ka? Dito na siya na. Bali tapos niya pinapinto. Galing na
Ano pang binunod? Sabi ko nga na ako na lang nagkakaw sa mga parabili ng
Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much from the heart. Thank you for the heart.
pag mapagdumi ko ka, dito ka naman ang para sa game.
Para,
Para sa game. Mamahain din yun.
ano ba ba dito?
Pero hindi pa baha, hindi ka naman tapos ang kape din, nalalaro lang sa tubig.
What do you like to do for fun? My God, what the question is? Oh, yeah.
Pagdag ko may delayed siya. Pagdag ko. Signan ng paggabi.
May Wi-Fi. Jefferson. Hi, Jefferson. Hi, Makamor.
Binigay ko yun ang iba ko. Nakibakmalan. Sinusul ko. Pinitahan ko ng iba.
May iba ka na?
Wala. Ito yun. Wala. Suka.
Hindi kami ano, malak mo. Yes, have a fun.
Wala na.
Ouch. Ouch.
Wala na yung tao yun. Madahon.
Ada? My God. Hi, Francis. Francis. 1, 2, 3, hello.
Doon na ka na.
Thank you for the likes. Bayusan nyo to. Bayusan nyo to. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you. Thank you for the likes.
Yung pagtao na kayo. Iyagan lang.
I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? Frances. Very good. Nanampalakayan niyo. Nag-aatag baga ang barangay niya. Ay, natagan na ka mo, dide? Ha? Oh my God, thank you, John. Oh my God. Nag-send si John. Nag-send naman si John, oh. Oh my God. Oh my God po. Thank you, John. Madaho, nag-send do. Pwede ho. Yan ang preso. 783. Thank you so much, John. God bless you more. Merry Christmas. Come, let's eat late lunch. You're welcome po. Oh my God. Oh my God po. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Jan. Oh my God po. Good morning, very good, Brazil, Denison. Denison. God bless you so much. God bless you, Jan. Oh my God, I'm so happy, Jan. Yes! Maybe I will. Oh my God. I will withdraw this one. Wow. Dogs here. So thank you so much for my generous friend here. My generous, my special person. The special person here. Jeremy. Hi, Jeremy. Thank you so much, 9 people here. Thank you. Kami ako naka-live. Paano may inaano ako? Manunay salit ako sa YouTube. Kaya ito nakakaaga. Kaya pansin niya na talaga ako nag-ano.
Hindi ba na ito yung live mo?
Hindi, parang thank you so much for sending love heart. Thank you so much po, John.
No, pala.
Thank you so much po. God bless you po.
Ito ang magduyan. Ito ang magduyan. Yung mga release ko.
Walang anuman po. Dok Makay. Salamat po. Musta Cheryl? Okay lang po. Lul. Kayo po, kumusta? Kumusta po? Puro po eh. Magalang tayo ngayon. Bisaya ka, no? I'm Bicolana. Bicolana me. Thank you so much. Mabuti po naman. Salamat. Mabuti po. Salamat din po. Saan ka? Spell check. Sorry, Father Tom. Thank you for the thumbs up. Okay man ang bugas ah.
Ito mo yun. Gusto mo bugas? Kayang ka?
Hindi na may bugas dito.
Diba may lot martilyo. Siyempre kayo na-edad na. Masira man talaga maliit. Buti na bugas.
Sorry, fat thumbs. It's fine. At least it's a thumb. Hello, host and everyone. Hi, Aisha. Win Unfiltered. Hello, Aisha Win. Can you see Owo? I will subscribe. What Owo? What Owo means? If that's bad, I will not. I don't like that. Cheryl Bicol, yes. Bicolana. Bicol, yes. Bicol. Bicolana. Hello, host and everyone. Thank you. Yeah. Say hi, baby. Say hi, Lapang. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Thank you for the super chat. Hi, mister. Oh, say hi, baby nga. Oh, some cute anak. No, my sister's son. He's my sister's son. And the other one, they're my sister's son. Okay, okay. So tell me where do it start? Hindi anak mo? Hindi. Hindi, pamangkin. Nephew.
Uminom ka tubig.
Ilang taon ka na? 40. 40 years old. I'm 40 years old. Aray. Aray mo.
Ang kamot.
No way. 40. Yes. 40. Why no way? Yes, I'm 40 years old. Getting old now. No.
Harang.
Harang?
Ano mo yung laki may maharang?
Hindi ako nakakamati, harang. No. I thought 20. Divide ko na.
Harang.
40. Times 2, not divide 2. Rainy here. So rainy. Seryoso, pretty still. Yeah, seryoso. Pag naniniwala na ako rin tanakan. Hindi sarang. I'm 40 years old. And you will need more sleep or you won't see 50. Nagagon sa ako. Pero talaga ito, like ako umaga. Kailangan ko naman ito. Later, I'm going to sleep in few minutes. I need to sleep. Oh my God. Oh my God po. Kaon gulay ang kanon. Yep. Vegetable, fruits. To feel young, you need eat vegetable, fruits, walk a lot. Yes, I walk a lot. That's why. Exercise. It's my exercise every day. Walk a lot. Oh, yes. Vegetable, fruits. Bebang! Si hi, bibigan. Lapang. You feel shy? Lapang! Si hi. I walk with my warrior. What warrior? Horrible. Spell check. Spell check. Oh my God, so big boy na. Not much sleep though, yeah, not much sleep. Big boy na, Papa. Say hi, Dada. Say hi. Thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you so much. I walked 2 miles earlier. 2 miles? Hi, Mr. Rafael. His name is Rafael. Hi, Mr. Rafael. Hi, Mr. John. Hi, Sir John. Thank you, John. Thank you so much, Sir John. Doc Mackay. Hi, Doc Mackay. About 3 kilometers. Oh my God. Seriously? Seryoso? 3 kilometer? I don't believe. Hello, sir, user. Doc na kayo. Where? I don't believe you. Doc Makay. No. Hey, how is it going? Where are you? I'm Philippines. I'm from Philippines. To Starbucks and back. Hi, Aisha. 1 mile each way. Ah, okay. I walk 500 meter. Ano ba yun? 100 kilometer, 500. I forgot me. Hi, sweetie. How are you? I'm from Brazil. Hi, Jose Roberto from Brazil. 2 mile ang 2 mile ang 3 kilometer. Ah, okay. Lapang.
May sulit na ilubog.
Siya, siya. Wala pa. Hindi na ako. Guwapo, yes, guwapo. Guwapo sila pong.
Gaya lang yung sabi-sabi. Sumatay kampoy, kanta niya na ako. Sumatay kampoy.
Kuya Lapang, guwapo sila pong. Ilang taon, Bibi? Ilang taon ka na, Bibi? Ilang ka na? 3 years old. 3 years old. Your baby? No. It's not my baby. My sister's baby. He's my sister's baby. No. 3 years, yes. 3 years old. 3-year-old. Thank you, 13 people. Ay, 13 likes. Naintindihan ko. Baka kasi hindi. Joke.
Hindi gusto na yun.
Hindi sa hindi stop nga no? Dire lang yung nag-comment pero updated yan. Cheryl, kano ako? You are kano, Doc? Oh my God, Doc. Hi, kano. He's so cute but looks terrified. Come on. Looks terrified. Kaya nga, hindi ako kasi nakita ako. He looks terrified. Oh, gusto na si Wawa. New Jersey, USA. Wow! Doc Makay from New Jersey, USA. Shout out to you, Doc Makay. Can you send it super chat, Doc? Please. Merry Christmas. Can you have more babies? I have 1 baby. Yeah. Nice to meet you, her, Doc. Lolo ako. 2 grandchildren ako. Ah, okay. May lolo ka. You have 2 grandchildren. Ouch. Kaya na rin ka ng mga yan na. Wala na sara booking. Pero tayo ka. 3, 8, and 3, 13. Ah, okay. I need to know why you learn how you know speak Tagalog, Doc Makay. Are you a Filipino? Half Filipino? Oh my God, the roster. Daughter ako ang 37. Ah, enough. Ha? I need to know 100% ka na. Why you know Tagalog? Your wife is a Filipina? I need to know. Lol, secret. Secret. Why need secret? Joke lang. Tell me something. Do you sometimes... Oh my God. I don't like that, Jose. Asawa ako ng Ilongga. Okay. Nakaasawa ka ng Ilongga. Asawa mo Ilongga. That's why you know Tagalog language. But you are a pure American. Your wife is Ilongga. That's why you know how to speak Tagalog. What? Nope. Asawa ako ang Ilongga. Asawa ako. Ikaw ang asawa. Ang asawa mo ay Kano. Pure Kano ang asawa mo. Ikaw yung asawa Ilongga. Okay. Learn ko sa Pinoy live stream. Okay. Learn mo. Natutunan mo sa Pinoy live stream. Need to know if you really love me. Please let him go. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Asawa is for teacher of Tagalog. Thank you, 20 people. Thank you so much. I need to know if you really love me. Gonna get you love. Seryoso, impatient of me. Seryoso talaga. Impatient of me. Nana? Baka di si Giselle or si Nanay Sila. Ora pag sira, naghabol ka ra. Talaga, is it possible? No. Si ano, pag sira, naghabol man sira dito. Si ano. Diba? Yadi na ako. May na ako, Yadi. Stand din. Let's do yan. Buk mo na. Aray. Yan ako na lang yung tao. Ayo, sige. Do yan. Do yan means, swing. Like a swing. Thank you. Sorry.